a look at this. What if you can earn $12 for every single song that you are listening to? I mean, is that even possible? How cool is that? I remember back then in the day when I was in high school, when I was in college, I was listening to music all the time. And the funniest thing is that I was making zero money. And I really wish I could came across some videos like this right now that you're looking into, and so I can really make some good money during my free time working from home without even leaving my couch, with nothing but only a smartphone. I mean, this is honestly crazy. And this method today is absolutely free and it works in pretty much every single countries on planet Earth. You'll be surprised what you're about to see in the next 10 minutes. Playlist push and up on top, which is playlist push, playlist music pitching service. I want you to click on that link right now. And once you click on that link, this is what you're gonna see. The website looks exactly like this. As you can see right here, connecting artists to playlist curators. So this is the website that you are gonna make $12 for every single song that you're listening to. But there are a few strategies, a few other different websites that I want to share with you throughout the entire video. And if you are able to combine all of them, you can effectively increase and multiply, or even 2 times, even double, triple your income that you're able to make on this one single website for absolutely free. So the more tips, the more strategy that you're able to take away from this video and actually apply them, the more money you can actually make. And so for today's strategy, you and I as a complete beginner, we are actually the playlist curators. I'm gonna explain to you what it works, but right now I want to show you some statistics, some numbers on their actual website. There are over 800 different curators from all over the world that are actually making real money by listening to music on this platform. And they have been featured on many big brands and companies, including Medium and Fortune as well. Plenty and plenty of good testimonials and reviews, and that's the reason why I want to share this opportunity with you on this video. So right now, step number 2, I want you to hover your mouse and go on to click on these 4 curators on the top right hand corner. Click on this one, and on the next page of this website, you are going to see monetize and grow your playlist. And when you scroll down a little bit down bottom, you're gonna see this get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review song. If you like it, we ask you to consider adding it into one of your playlists, and that's where you can earn $12 for every single song. And I want you to imagine, one song you're gonna earn $12. What if you can just listening to 10 songs per day? It is about $120 every single day by just listening to music. I mean, how cool is that? With those money, you can do so many different things. You can plan on for your next vacation, you can settle your bills, you can pay for your car payment. There are literally unlimited ways that you can spend those money. And right now I'll show you exactly how to do this. And the best part I like about this website is that they pay out in weekly. There are a lot of different methods that they pay out every single month, or they have a minimum withdrawal limit, but for this website they pay out every single Friday without missing any single day, and they're gonna pay you straight into your PayPal account. So it is not some point system that convert, it's not some gift cards and stuff like that, just some pure cold hard cash into your PayPal account. But there is one catch about this method, is that you need to have at least 400 followers on either Spotify, Deezer or Apple Music. This is what stops a lot of beginners when they come on this website. They see that, hey, I can make so much money by listening to music, but later on they came across that, hey, I need to fulfill this criteria, I need to fulfill this requirement before I'm able to make this money right here. But right now I'm not gonna show you the actual strategy. I'll show you what is the step-by-step instruction, what is the free website, what is the different methods that you are able to take action right after watching this video, and you combine them all together. You can easily get 400 followers from scratch, from zero, even if you have nothing at all right now. Okay, all you need is just follow with me until the end of this video and you'll learn everything exactly from zero and grow up to 400 followers on Spotify. This is what we are going to be focusing on today's video because it is much more easier compared to Deezer and Apple Music. Okay, and after you gain your first 400 followers on Spotify, that's where you can listening to music and write a very short 1 to 2 minutes review, or just simply add those music into your existing playlist, and this is where you're gonna earn $12 again and again. And now this is definitely not some get rich quick methods, but again, if you put in the effort, which I'll show you how to do this, playlist, you gain those followers, but after that, it is really some easy money for you, $12 again and again, unlimited, you guys. But before I show you the actual strategy and a few websites that you can quickly gain your 400 followers, right now I want to show you how you can sign up and get a free account. I want you to hover your mouse and go on to click on this sign me up blue button. Click on this one, and this is another page where you can see sign up as a curator. You and I, we are the curators for this website, and you're gonna see sign up using your Spotify, and I want you to click on that right now. And once you click on that button, they're gonna redirect you to the Spotify website. If you have a Spotify account, you just have to log in into your Spotify account or using your Facebook. But if you don't have any account on Spotify, just go on and create for a free account. Click on this sign up for Spotify, and this is where you're gonna put in your email, your password, and where should we call you, your date of birth, you're male or female. Click on this one, I'm not a robot, and sign up for a free Spotify account, because you need Spotify account to log in into the playlist push account. And after you get your first 400 followers, you are able to review different songs, and each and every one of them you are going to get paid $12 again and again, and sending into your PayPal account every single week. So now the first website that I want to introduce you today, which is Reddit, and especially Reddit/r/Spotify. This is a free to join forum. As you can see right here, over 129,000 members already, and right now there are 200 people are online and searching on, engaging, posting up discussion on this forum. And as you can see right here, there are so many playlists that people share on this forum. For example, this one, ambient space soundscapes. And as you can see right here, another playlist. And also when you scroll down below, you're gonna see there are so many playlists. But what they are doing right now is that they created a playlist on Spotify, right? They come up with a theme. Maybe it's about hip hop, maybe it's about acoustic, maybe it's about space soundscape. So they come up with a playlist, and they copy and they share it on Reddit forums. And what they do is that they're gonna get so much views, so much impression, and some people on this forum, I mean hundreds and thousands of people, they might come across their posts and they might follow them on Spotify. This is how they gain free followers on a very targeted forum. Because I mean, all of the people, all of the members that they join this forum, they are interested about music, and there's a very high chances for you that they are gonna follow your playlist as long as you put in something really good into your playlist, right? Just add a few songs into that playlist and share them on reddit.com/r/Spotify. This is the first method to quickly gain your first 400 followers. And if you want to sign up for a free account, just hover your mouse and go on to click on this blue sign up button, and they're gonna pop up this new window. Just put in your email address and press on next, and put in your password. That's where you're gonna create for a free account, and you can begin posting and sharing your playlist on this website. And so right now, let us go on to the second website, which is playlist.net. So on this website, you can basically share and post and upload your playlist on this website. There are so many playlists, so many musics on this website, and every single day there are a lot of people who love music. They're gonna come on this website and listening to different playlists. And so with this website, you are gonna gain so much followers as well. So all you have to do is just go on and click on this submit a playlist, this red button. Once you click on that, you're gonna see that you must log in and connect it with Spotify in order to submit your playlist. If you don't have any account, just again go on and click on this red login button, and they're gonna pop up this page where you can see login or register. If you are completely new right here, not a member yet, register with playlist.net, just click on this register, and they're gonna pop up a new page. As you can see right here, put in your name, your username, your country, your email, your password, and also click on this red register button, and that's all you need to begin submitting your playlist of Spotify right here on playlist.net. And they're gonna promote your playlist. That's where you're gonna generate so much followers on complete autopilot while you're sleeping, right? I mean, all of these websites, they are pretty simple, pretty easy. Once you create a free account, once you put up your playlist, just go onto this website and share them out, and you're able to generate a lot of followers. Within a few days, I mean about 3 or 4 days, you're able to get 400 followers, and from there onwards, you're gonna generate $12 again and again on playlistpush.com. by just reviewing and listening to music. And so last but not least, we're gonna go into the third website, which is soundplate.com. Okay, on this website you can basically promote a Spotify playlist, okay, and you're gonna gain so much followers. All you need to do is just go on and click on this plus playlist, as you can see right here. Click on this one and you're gonna see grow your Spotify or Deezer playlist with our website and free submission system. And again, this is something very similar as playlist.net. Again, these are all of the three methods that you're able to combine them all together. Number one, Reddit. Number two, which is playlist.net, and number three, which is soundplate.com. Combine all three together, share your Spotify playlist on these three websites, and you're able to quickly gain your first 300 followers, as you can see right here. Once you achieve that, that's all you need to begin qualify as a curator on this playlistpush.com, and you can begin do some paid per review, $12 per song, again and again, paid out weekly into your PayPal account.